Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am making this cookies and cream brownie cheesecake. I absolutely love it and I think you can recreate, like you can make this into different dishes later. Like I was thinking you could use, eat this for like 2 or 3 days and then maybe even make it like a cheesecake Oreo, a chimichanga, like a dessert thing. But anyways, this is how I'm doing the cookies and cream brownie cheesecake. So I hope you enjoyed, or I hope you enjoy, because I sure did. Anyway, you're going to preheat your oven to 325 degrees and grease a 9 by 13 pan, baking pan. I personally use these because my glass ones was all dirty or being used, and I'm personally just using the box cake mix because I have this already like in my pantry, because I bought this before knowing if the my brownie mix recipe was going to work. But I'll leave my brownie mix, like homemade brownie mix, in that video down below, because I did make a video about how to do that. And I am also in a separate bowl, I'm mixing together the cream cheese and the sugar until there is no more lumps. Also, the ingredients will be in my description box below too. And then add the egg and vanilla, stirring until evenly combined. So as you can see here, I am just plopping it in, stirring it up slowly but surely. And guys, this is the first time I think I've made a cheesecake for real, and it tastes just like a store-bought cheesecake, so no complaints there. There's the vanilla, and I do like go off camera and stir a little bit because I'm holding my camera currently and stirring with one hand, holding with the other hand. So yeah. And there is my brownie mix, and I'm going to put that in that grease pan that we did earlier. I'm actually making 2 in this video because I want to save 1 in my freezer for Valentine's Day. I'll just take it out like 2 days before Valentine's Day so it can like de-thaw, and I'll put it in my refrigerator. But then I'm putting on some cookies on top of the brownie mix. And again, all the ingredients is in my description box. And now I'm putting that cheese, not cream cheese, well, it is cream cheese, cheesecake filling on top of the cookies and spreading that out. So I used 1 box of brownie mix, which I doubled this recipe, but you can use 1 box of brownie mix, and you just follow the instructions off the back of that brownie mix. So just make sure you have extra butter and eggs and whatever else I can't think of. And there's 24 ounces of cream cheese softened in this video, about a 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 beaten eggs, plus more for the brownie mix, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 36 chocolate sandwich cookies, which is Oreos. Now I am spreading the batter in the even layer. We did that. We did place 24 cookies on that layer of brownie mix. Then we poured the cheesecake batter on top, spreading it evenly. And now I'm crushing up the remaining 6 cookies or more if you have it, and sprinkle on top of the cheesecake batter. Now I am baking it for 45 minutes until the edges are slightly golden brown and the middle is slightly jiggly. And then I let it cool for at least 2 hours. This is the 2-hour mark right here, and you slice and serve, and it's great for the next day. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you buddies on the next video.